Many of our programs culminate with a historical martial arts demonstration. These demonstrations are not predetermined or based on stage combat techniques, but instead driven by the knowledge presented in a historical manuscript written by an Italian swordmaster by the name of Fiore dei Liberi. His work, entitled The Flower of Battle, is an illustrated manual written in 1399 that has been translated into English. It is considered one of the greatest martial arts books of all time and details how to fight as they did during the medieval period, with a variety of weapons including spear, poleaxe, sword, dagger, and unarmed. It includes training in armor, out of armor, and even on horseback. The key element in these training methods is efficiency of movement. Each position or posta has a counter movement, as well as a counter to a counter, and so on. It looks very different than what you see on television or in movies.